splash, 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 splash. Ooh, splash, splash, splash. Baby shark is playing around. Come on, friends, don't delay. Let's wash our hands today in the ocean school so bright. Baby shark feels something not right. All the fish are feeling slow. Why are germs everywhere you go? Teacher shark says, oh, oh no. Dirty hands are causing woe. Shoo, shoo, germs, go away. Crab and fish are sneezing loud. No more play in happy crowd. Baby shark says, I know what to do. We need clean hands, me and you. But wait, water tap is dry. What can we do? Oh my, my. Oh no, what's the plan? Boo, boo, boo. Baby shark finds magic soap. Don't worry, friends, there is hope. He rubs his hands left and right. Suddenly germs take a flight. Rub, 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 soap so fun. Germs are running one by one. Water comes back, splash, splash, splash. Now it's time for a hand wash bash. Fish start dancing, crab does spin. Clean hands party, let's begin. Baby shark leads with cheer. Clean hands magic is here. La la la, dance with me. Healthy, happy family. Baby shark, solve the day. Germs all ran far away. Clap, 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 jump and play. Clean hands happy every day. Splash, 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 splash. Splash, splash, splash. Splash, 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 splash. Splash, splash, splash. Clap, 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 jump and play. Clean hands happy every day. Clap, 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 jump and play. Clean hands happy every day. Five dino was stomping on the ground. Wow. Five dino was stomping on the ground. Stomp, 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 what a sound. One slipped down and hit a stone mound. So the jungle echoed with a groan. So the leader called the birds and the babe and said, no more dinos stomping around the ground. Four dinos were stomping on the ground. Stomp, 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 honk, honk sound. One fell off and hurt his toe, rolling down so slow, slow, slow. So the leader called the snake and the snake then said, stop these dinos from stomping the ground. Wow. Three dinos were stomping on the ground, stomping loud all around. One bumped into a jungle tree. Ouch! He shouted loudly. So the leader called the monkey and the monkey then said, these dinos are too wild on the ground. Two dinos were stomping on the ground. Stomp, stomp, stomp all around. One slipped in, muddy gooey hissing. What are we gonna do? So the leader called the lion and the lion then said, no more stomping on the ground. One dino was stomping on the ground. Stomp, stomp, no sound. He fell down with a tiny roar hissing and broke the jungle floor. So the leader called the wizard and the wizard then said, fix the ground. Wow. Fix the ground. They fixed the ground with magic glow. Now the jungle starts to flow. All dinos came back again, happy stomping in the rain. So the leader called the dinos and they then said, come on, let's stomp again tonight. Listen to other dino jungle songs. Pop, pop, wait, what's that? Something big is floating back. Pop, pop, look above.